first set of questions are asking about finding standard form for polynomials. So we're going to do that. Then we need to classify it by degree and number of terms. Standard form just means that we're going to write it from highest ordered exponent to lowest ordered exponent. That lowest exponent is 1. So 7m to the fourth plus 4m squared minus m. And so looking at it, I have 1, 2, 3 terms. And then I have fourth power for my largest exponent. So it's fourth degree. Now, problem number 2, we have something similar. Here's our largest term, so that's equal to 3t cubed. But there are 2 terms that are t, so we combine those. They're like terms. So I get 6t minus 7. I end up having third degree, degree 3. And 3 terms yet again. Now, problem number 3, I have second degree, so writing that in order, 2r squared plus 5r plus 7, 3 terms, second degree. Now, for the next section, it's simplify each expression. We want to group like terms, so I'm going to start with these. Don't forget to distribute the negative. So that's going to change things just a little. So 3x squared minus 2x squared. Then I have my 7x's, negative, positive, negative. So this and this are going to cancel. So I'm going to simplify that as I go. And looking at the next set, I have minus 1, positive 1. So I'm just left with plus 5. So x squared minus 7x plus 5. And that simplifies that expression. Now, number 4, we have 2 choices. We can either multiply those 2 together, multiply those 2 together, or multiply these 2 together. It's our choice. We just have to pick. And so my choice is going to be to do the multiplication with these last 2 terms. So let's do that. I'm going to draw my diagram for FOIL. I get x plus 1 still hangs out in front. And then multiplying it, I get x squared plus 2x minus 8x minus 16. And then x plus 1, I'm just going to simplify. I get x squared minus 6x minus 16. And now I'm going to do the same trick again, but this time I'm going to write just the x squared. I'm just going to distribute this to the whole term, this to the whole term, and we will simplify from there. So now I distribute. I get x cubed minus 6x squared minus 16x plus x squared minus 6x minus 16. Now I'm going to combine like terms. No like terms for my x cubed. I have like terms for my 6x squared and my x squared. So x cubed minus 5x squared. Now common terms, there's my negative 16x, 6x. So I get negative 22x minus 16. And that is that problem. Now for the error analysis, says for the polynomial y equals negative 2x cubed plus 2x minus 5, friend says the end behavior is down, down. Down, down. Down, down's only going to occur if you have something like this, negative x squared. There may be a different coefficient. So what mistake did our friend make? Our friend confused the order of the leading term. And there are many ways to say that. You could even say the behavior is actually up, down. So there is many more than one answer. And then for the last problem, we want to write a polynomial that has in standard form with these zeros. So the first thing I would do is, here is a polynomial that has these zeros. So I'm going to have a factor that has minus 5 as a root or a 0. So this has minus 5 as a 0. This has positive 3 as a 0. And this has positive 2. That does not have positive 2. That has negative 2. That has positive 2 as a 0. And then we would do the same trick. We can multiply them out and get it in standard form. So that is the end of quiz 1 for lessons 1 and 2.